Cheesy beef Maggi noodle soup, hot, spicy and street style, delicious. Watch this sizzling street food magic. Cheesy beef Maggi noodle soup loaded with flavors, creamy cheese and juicy beef. The ultimate comfort food treat. Here is something irresistible from the streets: cheesy beef Maggi noodle soup cooked with tender beef, infused with spices and topped with melting cheese. It's a creamy, spicy and mouth-watering street food snack that everyone craves. Don't miss this cheesy delight. Subscribe my channel, like and share.